Okay, now we are going to discuss the third property, that is associative property. Tanganzo associative property gana ke share ta. Tanganzo zinda dumbala doinda. That zinda dumbala nganzo khande jangla na associative property khande jangla na. A plus B ni ka nyam do domba che plus C is equals to A khora loga che plus B plus C. This is the general formula that we had learned in a class 7. Sila dumbana associative property jangre. Ta penetration ta sin dumbala nganzo khar jangla na. Penetration A ki sabla ngi char. If I substitute 2 in place of A and if I substitute 3 in place of B and in place of C I substitute 4. Now C, in place of A I'll substitute 2, in place of B I'll substitute 3 and in place of C I substitute 4. Tata A plus B nyam to domba tha plus C is equals to A kona loga che plus and B plus C ni ka domne chikbali demindata. We are going to check whether these two are same or not. Now 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 as it is, 2 as it is, plus 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, which means 9 is equals to 9. We had learned this in a previous year. In a class 7 we already discussed about associative property in the form of integers. But now we are going to learn associative property in the form of a what? Rational number. Associative property by using a rational number on the basis of 4 operations, right? Our general formula is A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Formula. Now we are learning associative property on the basis of addition. So the general formula is A upon B on a rational number form in place of A plus C upon D plus E upon F is equals to A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F. Okay, this is a formula. Formula A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F equals to A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F. General formula. We are going to take one example. So in place of A upon B we substitute 2 upon 4. In place of C upon D we substitute 3 upon 4. And in place of E upon F we substitute 5 upon 4. Similarly on a right hand side, in place of A upon B we substitute 2 upon 4. Substitute chair plus bracket now C upon D C upon D ki sabla khare 3 upon 4 tha khajere plus khajere 5 upon 4 chair koje se ta anzo domain da ta anzo tan da ta deda ta denominator chikpa re re mina thangbo denominator chikpa re da kesi denominator chikpa mena any LCM pheje ta ne denominator chikpa sphere ta dela example dela thanda khare anzo khajere denominator chikpa le re ta solve chesamba thangbo bracket solve chere. First we are going to solve the bracket. So denominator is same, so our calculation is we are going to add the two numerator. 2 plus 3 is 5 and denominator is 4 itself plus 5 upon 4 equals to 2 upon 4 as it is plus delta the 3 plus 5 was just 8 chase 8 upon 4. So 5 plus 5 is 10 divided by 4, and 2 plus 8 is 10 divided by 4. So left hand side and right hand side both are same, which means associative property is applicable for addition. Now we are going to check for the subtraction. So in case of subtraction, the formula is same. Only difference is operation. Now we are going to check for the subtraction. The subtraction la check chena. So subtraction la check chuzam bata. Example ko ni. Penchashana 3 upon 4 che minus 2 upon 4 che minus 1 upon 2 is equals to, in place of a upon b, I'll substitute 3 upon 4 minus, whole bracket open. In place of c upon d, I'll write negative 2 upon 4. I'll write 2 upon 4. And in place of e upon f, I'll write negative 1 upon 2. I'll write 1 upon 2. Tata. Okay, that is the other. 2 the past out. 4 chipa lengora. We will take a denominator same. Tanda ranzo understand chelangi. Correct denominator sama throughout chipale. Hasa. Now we are going to solve this. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equals to the 3 upon 4 minus 2 ni chik thena hazure, ni ni chik thena hazure, chik 1 upon 4. So here 1 minus 1 is 0, means 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 0, and here it's 2 upon 4, which means left hand side and right hand side are totally different, which means associative property is not applicable for subtraction. Now similarly for multiplication, a upon b cross c upon d whole cross e upon f is equals to a upon b cross c upon d cross e upon f. In case of multiplication, associative property is applicable. Associative property in case of multiplication lakhare applicable chere. And division latta da answer. In case of division, you can take example by your own self. In case of division, again, associative property is not applicable. Applicable chhe marta law. You are going to check by yourself by taking an example. Now, in case of division, associative property is not applicable here. Here, associative property is not applicable. In case of associative property is applicable for addition la applicable chere and in multiplication la applicable chere. Subtraction we already verified, and for division and multiplication you have to check it by your own self. That's homework for you.